The leader who orchestrated the death of 6 million Jews, the leader who rose to become the dictator, and finally, the lesser known artist who painted mind blowing pictures on canvas. Hitler, the failed artist. This video is not intended to speak about the political side of Hitler, but just a lesser known fact about his early childhood. All the paintings shown in this video are painted by Adolf Hitler. I have also added the original title of that particular artwork below the image. Watch till the end to explore the artistic beauty captured by the dominant leader. Before we get into the video, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to get the new video updates. Now, let's get it on. Welcome to Lexical Repository, and I'm Arun Kumar with a crisp tale of the world. In the year 2014, a watercolor painting was sold in the auction for about 1,30,000 euros, and the painting belongs to Adolf Hitler. Yes, you heard it correctly. The man who is better known for as the one who triggered World War II. Before he became an infamous dictator, Hitler was an aspiring artist who had a great ambition of being a famous artist. Adolf Hitler moved to Vienna in 1908. He tried to get in the Academy of Arts Vienna but was rejected 2 times, in 1907 and 1908 respectively. Then he started producing hundreds of watercolor paintings to earn his living. His style was very calculated while painting an architecture which is evident from his paintings. All his works comes under either Greco-Roman Classicism, the Italian Renaissance, or Neoclassicism. Adolf Hitler considers Rudolf von Alt, an Austrian painter, as his teacher. Even during the First World War, he carried paper or canvas with him and painted, which had themes of farmers' house, sceneries, etc. All these paintings made during the World War I can be considered as the last of those before he became a politician. These experiences of him in Vienna and World War has been described by himself in an autobiography called Mein Kampf. During the outbreak of the World War II, Hitler, in a conversation with a British ambassador named Neville Henderson, told that, "I am an artist and not a politician. Once the Polish question is settled, I want to end my life as an artist." But his fate was quite a bit different, as he shot himself in 1945 before getting caught by the Soviet Union alive. A number of paintings were recovered by the United States Army after the Second World War, and many of them were sold in auction for thousands of dollars. Some of his other works are still with the United States government. Here are some of his other artworks. Self-Portrait, 1910. House at a Lake with Mountains, 1910. Standesamt, München, 1910. Tree at a Track, 1911. Vienna State Opera House, 1912. Ruin of a Monastery, 1914. Vase with Flowers. Mother Mary with the Holy Child. Now, what do you think about the artwork of Hitler? Do you agree with that he is a failed artist? Do let me know in the comments.